Biochemistry is often considered as one of the most challenging subjects in nursing education. However, behind every laboratory value, medication, and body process lies the science that helps nurses and student nurses. So today we'll firsthand hear from a registered nurse and a senior nursing student as they share how biochemistry has shaped their education and professional practice.
So, good morning. We have here our first interviewee. But before we start our interview, let us help introduce himself.
So, good morning everyone. I'm James Anthony Basan, a third year BSN student, and I'm also your SBOPIO.
So, first question is, looking back to your journey as a first year student, how helpful biochemistry is to your major subject?
So, biochemistry is one of the fundamentals in nursing because it deals about the different bodily substances and processes. So, it is really important to have a strong foundation in biochemistry in taking up nursing because it really helps us to understand how different our body works, how different substances works inside our body, and that knowledge will help us nursing students to become a more effective nurse or during our duty or different health organizing system.
So, thank you for that answer. And our next question is, what tip can you give to a first-year nursing student who is studying biochemistry?
So my tip to give is to really indulge yourself into studying because even though studying is a very common concept, it really helps a student, especially you guys learning first time for biochemistry, to build a strong foundation in that subject, and it will help you to understand a lot more concept in the upcoming years like third years and fourth years.
Thank you for that.
Thank you so much for having us for your interview today. But we can assure you that we will not upload this video to any social media platforms. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Shaira C. Bragat, and this is my partner.
I am Julian Maricina.
So we are a nursing student from CSAP, and we are conducting a short interview for our biochemistry subject. So before we begin, could you kindly introduce yourself?
Hi everyone, I'm Jabel P. Antot, a newly registered nurse working here at the Now Mother and Child Hospital.
Okay, thank you for introducing yourself. So here are our questions. How helpful biochemistry is to your hospital duty?
So regarding the relevance of biochemistry in my work experience here in the Now Mother and Child, makatapang dito ang biochemistry to distinguish between on how the medication works and the possible adverse effects. So pamaagi ana is makakuha dito tag idea kung unsay mga possible side effects sa mga drugs kay maka-identify man ta sa unsay recipe dito behind ana ang atuan tambal o unsay mga possible drug interactions between sa tambal and another nga tambal.
Okay, thank you so much.
Next, what tips can you give to a first-year nursing student who is studying biochemistry?
The tips I can give you guys is that we should focus on studying because biochemistry is lesson siya ng subject. So it needs a lot of time and effort to understand on how chemical bindings works.
Thank you so much, sir, for answering our questions and for your participation despite your busy schedule. So thank you so much and have a wonderful day.
Okay.
Thank you.